Hi folks, I would like to welcome you to my channel, and today's topic is about understanding the top 10 unique cooking techniques. Before we start, do not forget to subscribe or click on the bell icon to stay informed with regular updates. Here are 10 unique cooking techniques that offer creative ways to prepare food. 1. Sous vide involves cooking food in vacuum-sealed bags at precise temperatures in a water bath. This method ensures even cooking and results in tender, flavorful dishes. 2. Fermentation involves the breakdown of sugar by bacteria and yeast to produce acid, gases, or alcohol. This process is used to create tangy and complex flavors in foods like kimchi, sauerkraut, and sourdough bread. 3. En papillote, or cooking in parchment paper, involves wrapping food in parchment paper with herbs, spices, and aromatics before baking. This method seals in moisture and flavor, resulting in tender or fragrant dishes. 4. Liquid nitrogen cooking involves using liquid nitrogen to freeze ingredients rapidly. This technique is used to create frozen desserts, instant ice creams, and dramatic presentations like smoking cocktails and frozen cocktails. 5. Molecular gastronomy involves applying scientific principles and techniques to cooking to create innovative and avant-garde dishes. This includes techniques such as spherification, foams, gels, and emulsions. 6. Smoking involves exposing food to smoke from burning wood chips or herbs to impart flavor. This technique is commonly used for meat, fish, cheese, and vegetables that can be done using a smoker, grill, or stovetop smoker. 7. Dehydrating involves removing moisture from food to preserve them and intensify their flavors. This technique is used to make dried fruits, vegetables, herbs, and jerky. 8. Infusion involves steeping ingredients like herbs, spices, fruits, or vegetables in a liquid such as oil, vinegar, or alcohol to impart flavor. Infused oil, vinegar, and spirits are popular in cooking and mixology. 9. Sous vide egg cooking involves cooking eggs at precise temperatures to achieve different textures, from soft and creamy to firm plus custardy. This technique is used to create perfectly cooked eggs for dishes like eggs Benedict and poached eggs. 10. Tandoor cooking involves cooking food in a clay oven called a tandoor, which is heated to high temperatures using charcoal or wood. This method is commonly used in Indian cuisine to cook meat, bread, and vegetables, resulting in smoky and aromatic dishes. These unique cooking techniques offer exciting ways to experiment with flavors, textures, and presentations in the kitchen, allowing chefs plus home cooks to unleash their creativity and culinary skills. If you have any suggestions in terms of the type of videos that I should talk about, then please do share it on the comments section. In the meantime, see you folks on the next video.